In the heart of Silicon Valley, XYZ was a company that proudly carried its innovation banner. The team was made up of brilliant minds, always racing against the clock to deliver software updates faster than the competition. In that fateful week, after months of coding, the project was almost finished. This work coincided with a major update to their continuous integration and continuous delivery server, which had already been postponed several times at the request of the rabbit friend. The team, under the pressure of the approaching deadline, decided to skip integration and security tests to save time and launch the update. After all, what could go wrong, they thought. The update of internal servers and services and dependencies did not go smoothly. One of the packages was not updated due to network errors with the download of the resource. It was Friday, and the team was going home, enjoying the upcoming weekend. What they didn't know was that they had left the door open for unwanted guests. On Sunday night, while the servers were operating in silence, hackers exploited an unprotected vulnerability that appeared as a result of a recent update. By dawn, they had full access to the valuable data of the company and its customers. The attackers, sensing an opportunity, used the old version of the package as an attack vector, gaining unauthorized access to the company's systems in the quiet twilight of the night. Arriving on Monday morning, the IT team was greeted by chaos. Everything from source code to customer data was flying around somewhere on the web and was compromised. It took weeks to clean up the damage and rebuild customer trust, and months to lose profits and reputational damage. Thank you for listening. Visit my LinkedIn profile. And see you next time.